Ewo House of Yes, pre-season. Enti mention them put premium on resource in them. Marriage. As my mother came in, especially in the contest as has a winning trophy. No, me say House of Folk supporters be brave. Will be hit with Arsenal Americano, and probably will need time. And so much here. Rich, I still think has to be more.
To me, Angela Lions too. Still no more.
Yeah. More how it with players, do not answer any personality. For instance, so says Beba, this is what says me.
Or presence.
Say Hamza Ba. He has been one of the household names in Ghana football. Until what in the independent to say yes, we a player, Nimwedu. Or opposite threat or presence or Bema who say original one chair on neighbor. Rich. Would if some few Benjamin Asare. But has team no overall. There seems as they lack some personalities, be mammy. And my team in me.
Two players are now.
And that is how has our running recruitment. And ultimately suggest so many people from here. That is how they've done their business. And you can suggest, but for instance, your ball game in the year, a lot of House of Folk supporters, Kotoko, you Rich, if you look at the Kotoko team and you look at the personalities within the team, not all the Toto has their no form.
But someone never born in park. Park is near.
Now, park is your personalities in a Bible. May Kasim be the reason why Kotoko are dominating has in the last 5 games of Mabo and Kotoko personalities now. And to Odi Opa Fasa baby in Sonka. We all know Didi Dramani is a good coach. Very, very good when it comes to say Odin the Onim Airman the players. No Makoye. But Rich, throughout the season, Didi will have a problem with consistency. Our results move simply because of lack of personality and the players in India. Has team can be good as a but to be consistent, Rich, you need a certain level of personality. Has the team no more hamame? I was watching them and I was clapping. Look at Gona Hamza Share. She passed from deep. Look at the timing of the pass. Only say born Ocean the first glance because now Hamza no on offside. But Ocean the Biema, you understand why he wasn't flagged offside because Rich off in half. And no question go no. And see, that is intelligence, brilliance from all baby over here game in Fribiano. Has were good in some moments. But Rich, my problem and say there is House of Folk. There's a certain standard be and expectations on, especially after winning this homo. Can House be consistent? Me who team we mu. Me who and my disappointment with players be Rich. This could be their second season and you want to see Obi say boy no ball more left back in Ransford. I was expecting an improved player, but me to be honest with you, me
maybe after top 4 Nhyira season proper no, they will come good.
Rich, media, I go with their coach Didi Dramani Ekano. I think say the timing of some of these competitions, I'm very worried. I mean, a traditional kappa, about the Homo celebration or the Greater Accra region, which is good traditionally. But again, Rich, your both season in NBA, I've not seen Ghanaian clubs. Also, my Jomo players, my Jomo home, almost clubs be a program too tight. And for me, it's worrying for me, honestly speaking. And me who a video or na one blogger friend meet by now or go Charles folk players no one tag out or Didi Dramani and the players they cast about intensity and the tiredness on their legs. Because since Didi came, look at when the league ended.
So no,
The ball league review now bare 1 week, 2 weeks, but then everybody return back to training.
I want your proper rest.
Yeah, yes, why you said any proper healthcare system. Say players need prior football, sports science, papa. We can take care of these players. Yeah, we now quick. Look at Kotoko for instance. Kotoko we season now. Kotoko had to break for a few days. They had to return back to because of Africa. And then there is top 4. Like Didi Dramani catch on. Yeah, about top 4 just in a couple of days.
Almost Cape Coast.
Almost Cape Coast. Almost preseason. So I don't know what is the. I see you're very careful with you protect your players.
Then the top 4 no should. Change your mumrano. So and so competitive.
Yeah.
No more come substitutions.
Yeah.
So that you know it's just a training game being a hobo. Oh, yes, all ball top 4 there, but it must also fit into the calendar.
Because league never started September.
Yeah.
League started if a league started query on 18th or 19th. You 11 days for August to end. Nyami Adoma. We are entering September. The league is
so top 4 now.
Who starts the league?
GPL.
Ebi Africa.
Super Africa, yeah.
And even your travel, your transportation quite perfect. Ultimate to come from ABR from Kumasi Kwana Kovota region. Unless you go through either the eastern region or you go to Greater Accra region. I think and I make the main road to create them. You can't say, and even the voter region, all the flights, all the Deneco. So it's very difficult, and it's going to be expensive also traveling by air. Everyone say, team was car. Was where flight to go players air voter region ho and I say it's difficult. Even when you are crowd because I don't think the local flights can be team. So I think say a little bit careful, but in terms of the game there, I think as a folk, the intensity was there, and for me, I was much more interested in engaging as a folk fans almost after the game, because as a folk fans, I be a very very vocal part of Abubakar Watara. The last time, then last season, Didi Dramani added some calmness about clubbing him, and the fact that they won the Homo Cup, it is more of bragging rights. So much of Homo Cup. And it will give them the confidence to go into the league and say, it's okay, yeah, but you cry Didi Abano, Yaji Bibi, and Sa Bibi no see Bejina Sunya Yejuma, and we are going to win. And so that is good in that sense for Accra as a folk. But I think, say, team Abeya Unyoma in terms of fitness and then the rest, one shiny next season, I don't know how these things rest teams almost rest affects our performance in the Ghana Premier League because they're important.
Okay,
they're very important.
I'm stuck. Mining and Engineering Training School, our boss here, our boss is Zongo. Obia